Today we're going to paint this really cute boat painting, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I have masked off the boat and I'm just wetting the paper, and I'm going to apply like this dark blue color both to the sky and the water, and I'm going to use a damp brush to lift out some cloud or fog highlights. We're going to go back in with some different shades of turquoise and add in that horizon line, but stay tuned till the end because you're going to see I am going to change it up. I wanted this to be foggy, so I put some white back here, but I wanted the boat to stand out, so I did add some darker color. I really like to emphasize the bottom and the edges of a painting to give it more of a vignette vibe, and always think about putting a shadow under the boat. Even if your photo reference doesn't have it, like mine didn't, it still can help to just ground it. And I'm just adding little tweaks here for the water, going back between light and dark, little strokes of light and dark, and using a damp brush. I'm going to soften that sky, and then we're going to peel off our masking fluid. Wait until it's dry though, trust me. Then we're going to very carefully add in our boat details. These little details are what are really going to allow this boat to pop. I loved adding these little details. And I'm even going to like scribble a little bit on the boat. I love to add little like shaky lines and even dots in the water to simulate the water. You see now I changed the horizon line. I raised it. I raised it up, my friends, because it just looked too flat. What do you think? Do you love it? If you would like to see the full version of this, it is available for my Studio Master members, and that is linked below. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.